Presenting a pre-owned 2022 Ram. This four-door van has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and a 9-speed shiftable O transmission. This Ram is a great value with less than 13,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.